सुन बात है ना और नहीं मेरे को सुना नहीं अब क्लिक करना उसमें ना गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस माय नेम इज संजय यादव एंड टुडे I am going to teach you how to ask questions and how to answer in English language, right? You know, when we talk, how we talk, then we ask many questions, we answer them, right? Or somebody else asks questions to us, and we have to answer them. This is the way to make a conversation, right? So today's video we will learn how to ask questions, right? How to make a conversation. So let's start, right? You know, there are two kinds of interrogative sentences. You know, and when we ask question to someone, then we use interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentence. First is called yes or no type questions. In which sentences we use helping verb first. And our second type is double interrogative sentence. These are called WS word type interrogative sentences. In those sentences, we use WS word at first in the sentence, right? And those are called open-ended questions also, right? Let's start. We will learn how to ask questions. So, I know you all guys know, I think every single tense, right? I have taught you all the 12 tenses, and you are able to translate those sentences or those tenses very easily, I think, right? How to ask yes or no type questions and how to answer both questions. Are you ready, guys? You need to say yes. Are you ready? Yes, so let's start. Now, I say, do you go to school? क्या आप स्कूल जाते हो? You need to say yes, we go to school. Or do you eat the food? Yes, I eat the food. Do you drink wine? No, I don't drink wine. Do you tell a lie? No, I don't tell a lie. There are so many such questions. I'm going to ask you 20 such questions. Right? Do you take a bath? Speak loudly. So the people who are going to watch my video, they can listen to us. Can you speak loudly, please? Ask question. Do you read English daily?
Yes, I read English daily.
Yes, I read English daily. If you are in a group, you can say yes, we read English daily. Right? Your group. We means all of you, all of us. We. Asa. Do you play any game?
Yes, we play any game.
Yes. Asa. These questions are called yes or no type question because we can answer these questions in yes or no. By yes, do you go to school? You can say yes. I yes. Do you drink milk? You can say yes or no. The answer is clear. In that case. Asa. Do you sing a song?
Yes, I sing.
Really? Can you sing that song now? You want to sing? Okay, problem. Now. Do you play piano? Do you play drum? Answer in detail. Like when you say, no, I don't. No, I do not play piano. Do you take tea?
Yes, I do.
How many times do you take tea in a day? How many times do you take tea in a day? It was WS type questions. It was an open-ended question. You can't reply this question in yes or no. In the morning you will take. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you some open-ended questions. Like, what do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? तो सुबह क्या करते हो? I read in the morning. I get up in the morning. Then I play sometime in the morning. इस तरह से. There are so many questions. What do you do in your free time? आप अपने free समय में क्या करते हो? I read books in my free time. I listen to music in my free time. I play cricket in my free time. This is Sanjay Yadav, and today I am going to my students how to give a presentation in present indefinite tense. Right? So today I am specifically going to teach you about how to give a presentation in present indefinite tense. So I hope you will listen to me very carefully, right? So pay attention to me, word to word, and listen to me very carefully, right? So let's start this. So there, I told you yesterday, that there are many rules, and we have to follow them. then only we will be able to talk in English, right? So let's start on today's topic. Let's suppose you have to speak on any topic, right? There can be any topic. Suppose you are going in a party or in any good occasion and you have to speak there, right? Suppose you are a chief guest there and you have to give a presentation there. So how will you do that? How will you do that? I have given you a blueprint today, right? So I told you, first of all, you have to disclaim. You need to say good morning everyone, right? After that, you need to introduce yourself. You need to tell your name. Like my name is Sanjay Yadav. Whatever your name is, you have to tell your name at that time. So let's start. Now, copy me and listen to me everybody. Copy me, right? Like, good morning everyone. My name is Sanjay Yadav, and today, before saying anything, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir. Suppose there is a sir. He gave me a chance to speak here. In a party, I am talking about a hypothetical situation. It there, right? It there. Suppose somebody gave me a chance to speak there. Then I would thank him, right? I would say, before saying anything, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir or manager, whoever he is, right? I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir, who gave me this bonus chance to speak here before you all. And now, today, I am going to talk about, that can be any topic. Suppose it is the occasion of Diwali, right? And the celebration of Diwali is going on, right? And I am a chief guest there, and I have to speak on that particular festival at that party. So how would I say? I say, today I am going to talk about Diwali. Let's start. And I will tell them at least 10 points on Diwali. I will say, Diwali is one of the most important festivals in India. It is one of the most important festivals of Hindus. It is called the festival of lights. It is celebrated all over India. Or we can say Diwali is celebrated all over world. Right? On this festival, children burst crackers. We clean our home before Diwali. Delicious sweets and dishes are made at home by our mother, right? And we worship. We are Hindus, right? We worship Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi at night. And people respect each other. People meet each other. They enjoy on that. And Diwali brings happiness for us. This way you can say many lines. You can speak on any topic this way, right? That's it.